Hi everyone, it's Lindsay, and I am here to show you how to make an advent calendar using the patterned paper from His Unspeakable Gift set and the December Secret Place journal. And it's going to look like this, and you're going to have a folder for each day, and you put in things in the pockets. So what you need to do is you need to print let's go this way. So you print papers front to back. I tried to make them so they would match. I've already folded some because I wanted to show you how I do it. But see, I kind of made it match. And so here's a green one. And then I put the green snowflakes, and you can kind of, it's a little bit of blue too. And then that's the snowflake. And then I just put a basic. And then got some cool lights. And I could not tell you which one of these papers go what set. So I'll have to look it up, and then I could show you. But I wanted to make a few, and I think I'm actually one short too. I thought this one was really cool. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So what you do is you take a piece of paper, you print it, and I can't get my printer to print borderless. We're going to fix that in just a minute. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold, it's simple as this. Print on one side, print on another side. Pick which side you want to go on the outside of your folder. And then the inside, I tried to make ones that looked both ways, that looked good both ways. And I will show you why. Like this one looks good both ways. It printed like this, but it looks good this way too. So, take which side you want out. I'm going to put this side. See, and that's the hardest part. I tried to put papers that went together, and then I can't figure out which side I want out. I think I'm going to do this side in. So, you take the bottom, make sure, let's see. I always have a hard time figuring this out. This is the 11-inch side. This is 8.5 by 11 paper. So this is the 11-inch side. You want it facing horizontal. And you're going to take the bottom of the page and fold it up. You can fold it up however you want, however much you want. This is going to be your pocket, or pockets. I'm going to show you how the pockets go. And I'm going to get my scissors real quick, so hang on. And, okay, got my scissors. And then, after you fold it this way, you're going to turn it this way and fold it this way. And then you want to make sure it's straight. And then, you're going to unfold it completely. And then, this is the 11-inch side again. So you want it horizontal, and you're going to just fold it in half this way. And I will do this another time, so you get it. And then you're going to flip it upside down, and you've got this folded here. You're going to take your scissors, and I'm just doing this freehand. I'm not doing this any certain way. You're going to go to this corner, and you're going to cut straight, or you can cut curve. I'll show you a curve one too. And see, I can't even cut straight, so. And there you go. And then you're going to unfold it. And then you're going to fold these up. And you've got your folder. Your flaps. Now, what I'm going to, since I have the border, before I glue, I'm going to take my cutter, my paper cutter, and I'm going to cut off, this is the easy way to cut it off. I'm going to cut off that white edge. There's one. And then we're going to cut off this edge. Too. And see? You cut it off. And then what you're going to do And yes, you're going to have white up here. You can cut that off if you want. I'm going to leave it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to glue. Yeah. I'm just going to glue very thin line from the fold, and this paper makes it hard, to the edge. And then you fold it, and you go like that. You're going to want to make sure you dry before you put it in a folder, or in the whatever you're going to put it in, if you make it this way. This is just one way. And there you go. Now you can fold in and cut, but I wanted something easy to do. So now you've got that. And then this is very thin. I'm using, I think it's 20-pound paper. I don't have any of my 28-pound paper left, and I didn't want to use 32-pound paper. So I'm using my 20-pound paper, and you can see the other pattern, but that's okay. And now, because I'm doing the rings, I'm going to take my arc punch, and I'm going to punch it. And it's not all, there we go. And I make sure it's lined up a little bit on both sides, and I punch. And then I have that. And I still have to make my cover for my book too. It's been a long week since Thanksgiving. So we're gonna put this in. And there you go. So I'm gonna do it one more time, because my video is about 7 minutes now. So you have, actually, we're gonna take one of these. We're gonna take one of these, and let's take this one, because I already know what side I want. So I'm gonna have this side out. So we're gonna flip it over, and my printer wanted to mess that up, so we're gonna put that on the bottom. And then we're gonna fold up. This is the 11-inch side. We're gonna fold up however far you want to fold up. I fold, let's see, I didn't get that straight. And even if you don't get it straight, you can fix it. I fold maybe not quite half, maybe a little bit less than half. Easy as that. And then we're gonna fold it again this way. So we folded this way and then this way. And then we're going to unfold, and we're going to take the 8.5 by 11 side, make sure it's on top, and fold it in half. I think that's called the hamburger fold, and I think this way is the hot dog fold, but we're not doing full hot dog. So we have it hamburger style, and then we're going to turn it upside down, make sure this folds this way, and we're going to take, and I'm going to do my line curved. We're going to go from this corner, and we're going to curve it like that. And you get this little piece. I don't think I'm going to save that, but and then you've got, let's see, now you've got a little curve right there. And then you fold it like the folder, and you're going to take your paper trimmer and cut off the white edges. Now, if yours does borderless printing, then you don't have to worry about this step. This step is just because I don't have borderless printing. And I've tried. I have no idea how to make it work. And then we're going to put some glue. See, this is a little bit easier. We're going to put some glue here. You don't need much. It will hold. And you want wet glue for this. I guess you can use double-sided tape, but it's not. You want it to dry. And double-sided tape doesn't really dry. And there you go. There's your little folder. And then I'm going to take my punch and make sure that it's on this edge. And you could even put just two rings right here too and make a little ring book like that. And then we're going to go like this and we're going to punch it. And then if I can find what I did with my, oh, there it is. And then my rings came out because I don't have a good, I need to make my cover on both ends still. The front and the back. So there. And then we just put it in, and this is why I like these. And it's just gonna fall apart on me, but you get the point. But this is why I like discs. I just went back to discs. And it's not going to be perfect because I didn't line them all up. But you can go back and line them up. You can just cut the top off. And then what you have is, it's not going to, the only thing is with this, is it's not going to lay flat. But it's just a folder. You're going to put stuff in for your Advent. And you can follow whatever Advent you want. And then I'm probably going to put numbers on front. I haven't done much with it yet. And then you've got that. And then this one I have the candy cane. And I had to do the candy cane stripe on the inside. Oh, and I didn't do the glue. But if you have any questions, let me know. And I hope you liked it. And I will show you this one. This one is so pretty too. This one I actually did a very simple dot. So, have a great day.